Ranking up means more money, but you win even at entry level. Stop worrying about hitting the highest ranks to earn big commissions. What if I told you that even at the $7 entry level, you still earn 50% commissions on every sale and even $250 or more when someone upgrades, even if you haven't ranked up yet? Earn instantly, no waiting for payouts, 50% commissions no matter your rank, a system that creates passive duplication and scales for you. This is Simple Freedom Warriors, a ranking system that rewards you no matter where you start. Smash that like button and stay locked in. This is about to change everything. This is Simple Freedom Warriors Ranks. Now, I've been in film marketing for about 12 to 13 years, and I've seen people struggle because they thought they had to rank up quickly just to make good money. I wasted time chasing high-ticket levels. I lost potential commissions waiting for upgrades. I felt stuck because they couldn't fill fast enough, and I know a lot of people have the same issue. Then everything changed. On November 20th, my wife, Felicia, was hit by a car. She had fractured ribs. Let me get it right here. Fractured neck, broken femur, subdural hematoma, multiple injuries. And months of rehab later, she's still relearning basic motor functions, how to put on clothes, how to sit up in the bed, how to stand up for, how to sit up, how to, get dressed, how to do simple basic stuff. That's when I found Simple Freedom Warriors, because I knew I needed a system that made sure I was good and could still scale, because I was losing money left over right. And Simple Freedom Warriors and a mentor, because that was important to find the right mentor. A system that finally gave me the final financial freedom I've been chasing for years. This isn't just about making money, it's about securing a future and ensuring we never have to worry again. Smash that like button if you know the struggle. Let's talk about ranking up. So, again, if you can relate, thinking, oh yes, everything's good, I could just start a GoFundMe. Well, $445 in over 6 months shows you it doesn't always work. So I'm not saying you're going to get hit by a car. You could be easily lose your job. You could have your tire blow out on your car. You could have your radio go out. It could be a lot worse, And if everything goes perfectly, great. But if you can't make things work right now, you're going to make things work when you're making about 40% of what you're making right now. Does that make sense? Who wants to be working to their 65, 70, 75, retiring on trying to retire and make it work with Social Security? So this system is designed to pay you whether you rank up or not. Here's how the levels work. $7 entry level. Let me show you right here. Okay, right here. With instant access, earn 50% commissions immediately, no matter what level you're on. So it doesn't matter if they're DFI Vault, Inner Circle, Elite Marketer, Traffic Rolodex, Duplication Formula, or all in on one of the webinars. You can get in. Let's say they buy Duplication Formula, and you start at just $7, okay, which is the entry level. A build phase, okay, that's what it's called, build phase. So even if somebody came in for $3,000, you get paid 50% commission on that $3,000, okay, if they came from you. Pretty crazy, right? And we have the DFI Affiliate Vault, which is $30, and it gives you pre-made marketing materials for effortless selling. And we're adding way more value to the build phase coming up, okay? So the Inner Circle is a $50 private community and deeper training to accelerate success. So $300 for the Elite Marketer, advanced strategies and premium commission structure. $1,000 is the Traffic Rolodex, is where to buy the best solo ads, okay, and unlock powerful paid traffic systems. Now for $1,500 is the Team Duplication Formula, okay. So imagine $3,000 and you get a $1,500 commission from that, okay? And even if you're only at the $7 level. So even if you're only at the $7 level, you earn 50% commissions on upgrades, including $250 plus when someone goes all in. No middleman, direct pay to your processor of choice. Whether you want to pay YouTube, Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, we got you. No waiting for weeks for commissions. Instant payouts. Nobody holds your money. Go straight to you. This is why online marketers are jumping into Simple Freedom Warriors. It just makes sense. Drop a comment if this blows your mind. Let's talk about scaling fast. I want to show you the YouTube rankings. And as you can see right here, we are not signed in. So this is the exact rankings you would see. Okay. Affiliate Manager Review. I'm only going to name the people on our team. Michael De La Cruz on our team. Number 1. Video. Postcard Lifestyle on our team. And here's all 5 of these shorts are 4 of the 5. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 of the 5 was our team. Postcard Lifestyle. Mr. Orange Dream. Postcard Lifestyle. Postcard Lifestyle. Postcard Lifestyle. There's Mike Money Online with JJ. There's me. Postcard Lifestyle. Charles N. Dukes is another member from our team. Postcard Lifestyle. Postcard Lifestyle. Postcard Lifestyle. Make Money On with JJ. That's me. Mr. Orange Dream. Postcard Lifestyle. Postcard Lifestyle. Brian Zitterman, another team member from our team. Postcard Lifestyle. See, we're dominating YouTube, and you could dominate from any keyword. It doesn't have to be Affiliate Manager. It doesn't have to be Simple Freedom Wars. It could be whatever program you want. So that's Affiliate Manager Review. So I'm going to show you another one. It's not going, so this is live. I'm going to show you VIP. Okay. As you can see, we're not signed in. I'm going to give you the rest of our videos. Number 1 video is Postcard Lifestyle. Then Postcard Lifestyle. And I'm only going to give you our team's results. Okay. Postcard Lifestyle. Postcard Lifestyle. Saeem Ahmed. That's another one of our team. So is Mr. Orange Dream. So is Postcard Lifestyle. So is Mr. Orange Dream. Okay. Are you starting to get the picture? You should. Postcard Lifestyle. Mr. Orange Dream. Postcard Lifestyle. Postcard Lifestyle. Postcard Lifestyle. Mr. Orange Dream. See, if you make the videos, see, and there's no VIP here. The more you make, the easier it is to rank for other search terms, okay? Can you imagine you bought Boardwalk and you got Park Place and Boardwalk and Park Place, and you got the green ones for free, or all the railroads for free. That's what happens when you start making these videos, and they don't have to be videos where you're on camera. Okay, Mr. Orange Dream. They can just be simple review videos like this, where you show the computer or the cell phone. Now, Freedom Warriors is obviously ranking on YouTube. High traffic keywords, organic leads flowing in like water. Okay. We give you step-by-step training in this back office and clear compensation breakdown. Okay. Your downline follows the exact same path, ensuring duplication at scale. They will be trained, and you will get paid instant commissions, and so will they. The system isn't just making money; it's dominating YouTube and driving conversions effortlessly. Smash that like button if you love transparency. Let's keep going. Think of this like a casino. Start small, scale using winning. Invest just $7, okay? And we'll give you a DFY SFW link, okay? This is for beginners who do not have their branded funnel set up yet, okay? And you imagine this is how to potentially get your first SFW sale in 24 hours less. Very fast, getting right in and getting right into the nitty gritty and be able to learn on training and implement it and get instant results. I got my first video ranked, I think, 3rd and 5th in 2 different keywords. Welcome to affiliate. Here's the fast way to start getting paid and move your way up. We want you to help you make money before you start spending some more money. Sound fair? Okay, you earn commissions immediately. You use your profits to level up. Again, if somebody comes in for all in on a webinar, for example, they pay $500, you get $250 of that. Your team duplicates the process. Massive passive income. When someone upgrades, you win, no matter what your rank is. This is how smart marketers scale without spending their own money. Smash that like if this strategy makes sense. This is next level. Stop wasting time. Start earning now. Stop struggling for leads. Stop burning money on ads. Earn real efficient affiliate commissions now with Simple Freedom Warriors ranks. Start for $7, zero risk, only upside. Earn 50% commissions at every level. Leverage house money like in a casino and scale your income without personal spending. Massive passive duplication. Your team grows effortlessly. Click the first link in the description and join now. Text me at 775-460-7938 and say, I'm ready to start with Simple Freedom Warriors. So let's recap. You start at 7, no risk, massive upside. You earn 50% commissions at every level you qualify for. You win when your team upgrades, even if you haven't upgraded yet. You scale effortlessly with built-in duplication. The system is built for long-term success. No ad spend, no guesswork. This is Simple Freedom Warriors Ranks, how to earn $250 or more starting at just $7. This is John Solly, aka JJ Solly, aka Yo Friendly Neighborhood Solomon. Don't delay, get with Jay today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.